Welcome to Lolo TV. Fun learning every day.
Hello, kids. Let's learn A to Z. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. Is for fish. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hippopotamus. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for joker. J is for joker. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for mango. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for owl. O is for owl. P is for parrot. P is for parrot.
Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. S is for snake. S is for snake. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for worm. W is for worm. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone.
Is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Kids, did you enjoy learning today? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lolo TV for more ABC fun.